Hi everyone, so now this is the 4.4 geometry quiz and let's start. So sine radical 3 over 2. Now listen, in one of the previous videos I said I'll explain how to find trigonometric ratios without memorizing them and without a calculator. I prefer if you do a calculator, but like you could put sine 30 in your calculator and find the answer, but let's say your calculator lost charge mid-exam and no one wants to give you a spare. Here's what you could do. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you write here sine and here cosine. Okay? Then here you write 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And now from all over 2. And that's personally my favorite way to find these ratios. So if they want sine 30, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to sine and you're gonna go to the angle 30. You're gonna take the number there and put it over 2. So sine 30 is half. And that's it. So sine 30 is not 3 over 2. Let's try it with cosine 30. So cosine, and you go to the angle 30, you go down, you find it 3. 3. By the way, it's radical 1 over 2, but radical 1 is, 1, so that's why it didn't change. And now, so you have 3 in a radical sign because you don't remove the radical over 2. So cosine 30 is radical 3 over 2. So this one is right. Now let's try it with our next one. Okay, yeah, for cosecant, I want you to find the sign and flip it. So we found the sign because I don't think on our calculators or anywhere can we find cosecant with. So you find sine. So sine, we found it here in the first part to be 2 over 1. Flip 1 over 2. Flip 1 over 2, you're gonna get 2 over 1, which is the same as 2. So yes. Secant, which is the reverse of cosecant, is supposed to be, secant is the reverse of cosine. So it's supposed to be 2 over radical 3. So this is wrong. Cotangent is the reverse of your tangent. Now, for here, there is a way to find tangent from this one, but I find it confusing. So what I do is just sine over cosine. So we know our sine is half and our cosine is 3 over 2. So it's, and since it's cotangent, we know it's cosine over sine, right? So let's do it. Radical 3 over 2 times, because it's keep change flip, right? So you're gonna get radical 3, and that's it. That's literally it. It's really easy to do without a calculator. Now let's move on. Okay. What number between 0 and 90 must fill in the blank? Secant of 34 equals cosecant of. We know secant and cosecant, they're supplements. So secant plus the cosecant must equal 90. So to find secant, to find cosecant, you do 90 minus the secant, which is 34. You're gonna get 56. That's it. Moving on. This is our last question, by the way. Given ABC is right with, okay, so you have a triangle A, B, C. AB is 11, BC is 60, AC is 61, right? They want cosine of A. What's cosine of A? Cosine of A means cosine in angles is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent, which is AB, 11, over hypotenuse, which is 61. That's your answer. Now, we're done the quiz, but I'm gonna write down some things you need to remember and for the exam. Sine, in triangles, sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Cosecant, which is the opposite of sine, is hypotenuse over opposite. Secant is hypotenuse over adjacent. Cotangent is adjacent over opposite. And I think we're done for when it's in angles. In a triangle. When it's not in a triangle, sine is just sine. Cosecant is 1 over sine. Secant is 1 over cosine. Cotangent is either 1 over tangent. If you don't have the tangent, it's cosine over sine. And again, I'm gonna draw the thing I drew for you in the start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sine, cosine. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and all over 2. And why not? I'll also add radians to degree is pi over 180. Degrees to radians. Wait, did I switch them? Yeah, my bad, guys, I switched it. Radians to degrees is 180 over pi, and degrees to radians is pi over 180. Sorry. So, degrees to radians, pi over 180, and radians to degrees is 180 over pi. And yeah, we're done. These are all all the things you need to remember for this part of the periodic. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.